What's up, YouTubers? This your girl Bree coming to you with the update on Veru, Ardx, and Sppi, which is my favorite. People always ask me why you like these biotech penny stocks. Because one thing for sure with these biotech company stocks is that they can run up in any market condition. And right now, the market condition with SPY and QQQ are not at the best. And one thing for sure, these penny stocks can run up with news. And so, as you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor, but please check out my links below. And please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So let's get started. Here we have Veru on a daily chart. What we notice is that the bottom is at $9.86 and that we have hit the breakout line 3 times here in the beginning of October, here on October 18th, and in the last 2 days, which is very positive. We see that it is staying within this channel, which is good, and we wanted to stay within that channel. What I believe will happen is that we will fill this gap before the AdCom decision. And if the AdCom decision is positive, that it approves, we could be sent off to around $24 and $25. Once we hit $16, it is skyrocket from there. We notice that the MACD is very positive. And we can see here that the volume is very positive here in these last, probably the last 10 days. And also the RSI is over 50, which is in the overbought, which is still have room to run. It is very positive. You notice that it has been consolidating within this channel, which is positive. So all positive things here. We're just waiting for the upcoming AdCom, but I would say buy the stock and buy the options. What my group is doing, we most likely will sell about 60% of our positions, position, and then sell 40% of our position after the AdCom. So before the AdCom, we could sell 60%, and then after the AdCom, we could sell 40%. And this is what we call discipline and a strategy, so you don't lose out on money. So let's look at the next stock, which is Ardx. So we have Ardx on the daily chart, and what we notice right away is that it has gone up on the RSI and down, but it still is over 50, which is in the overbought zone. What we notice here on the MACD though is that it is still have some time to kind of go on the downside, but not by much. We do see some red here, but the good thing here, we are still within the channel, so which is positive. We see it here that it goes up, it goes down, up, and then down. But it's still within that channel. So we're still good with such a market of what's been going on with the up, down market on SPY, QQQ, all these well-known high market cap stocks. We are doing pretty good. We're at a steady place in the price. Again, we would do the same thing for Ardx. What we would do for Veru is that we would sell 60% before the AdCom, and then sell, or did I say my mistake? We'll sell 60% of Ardx before the AdCom, and then 40% after the AdCom. So go ahead, get some shares and get some options. Play it both ways. Our next stock is my favorite, which is Sppi. So let's look at that on the daily chart. Here is my favorite stock, Sppi. That's a penny stock currently. If you can remember, in the past, it did not make the AdCom. They got denied. But in the upcoming month, November 24th, There would be a PDUFA. They may not make it for that one either, but one thing for sure is a lot of stocks, penny stocks, biotech stocks, usually run up to that FDA decision. So that's what we're looking for. So here I might sell 80% of my position before the PDUFA, and then 20% leave as runners. This is just a strategy to be disciplined. We noticed that the bottom is 36 cents. It has not hit that 36 cents in the last 10 days. Here we noticed that it did go up to 48 cents, which was good. And now we're kind of staying at about 44 cents, 43 cents, which is totally fine. But look at this. The MACD is in an uptrend on the daily chart. And you can see here the volume is very good here with the MACD. And what we notice is the RSI, it started to head up. It was in the oversold, and now it is above 30, which is good. That's a good sign that we have room to go up. Like I said before, I'm looking for us to pass this 48 cents, which it did hit the breakout line. So that was positive, and then it regressed just a little bit, and now it's heading back to that resistant line to break out. So this is what we're looking for. We're looking for it to go to 48 cents and then gap fill on the upside here, and then take off some more here. And I'm hoping that we hit $1 before the PDUFA. As we all know, in November during elections, a lot of small cap stocks start to skyrocket. And this is a small cap stock. This is a penny stock. A lot of penny stocks do run off in November, your small cap. So that's what I'm hoping here. Even if it doesn't make the PDUFA, we still can play this stock. Just sell more of the stock before the FDA decision, just for safety issues. Okay. So we're still waiting on November 1st and November 2nd to see what the decision is from the feds of the rate hike. So we may see a little regression, but I said hold some capital if that regression happens. If it doesn't, then you're still in at a good price. So this is my update on these stocks. It's still similar updates. We did see a little run here on SPPI that we did see on the previous video that I did. And we saw a run up from Veru. And what we're seeing that for ARDX, it says it's just staying steady. Most of these stocks are staying steady, but we're noticing that Veru is ahead because their AdCom is coming up sooner than ARDX and SPPI, which is at the end of the month of November. So you guys have it. Hope you like my video. If you have questions, just send a comment and I will try to answer it. Thank you.